Hi everyone, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna do this Vampy nails for Halloween. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So for this design, I wanted to do something super simple that anyone can do at home with only two colors. So my base color will be this red. This is the Arsonist by Mooncat. It's super pretty and it has also red shimmer on it. And with one coat will be enough for this design. So then I'm gonna use a piece of a sponge to make a gradient. So what I like to do is to wet the sponge in some water and then remove the excess on a lint-free wipe. And this is gonna help me with the application, and also to avoid that the sponge, when it's dry, will remove some of the layers underneath. So I'm gonna start by applying the same color of my base in the center of the sponge, and just around it I'm just gonna make a square with black nail polish. These are all regular polishes, no gel, no stamping polishes, just the normal polishes that you would use. And I'm gonna start dabbing it on my nails. I have a tip here, so if you have liquid latex or if you have tape, I would recommend you put that around your fingers, just because gradients are a little bit messy with the sponge, so that way you have less cleanup to do. I did a first coat, then the second coat I'm only retouching the red part so it's a little bit more vibrant, and in the third coat I'm doing the two colors again. So 3 coats and I'm using the same sponge. I just reloaded with the polish. So here I'm removing the liquid latex and I had to do a little bit of a cleanup. I'll be using some acetone and cleanup brush, and to give it a sparkly look I decided to add a top coat. This is Scatter Hole Taco, and I think it's a great touch to finish this manicure. So this is the final result. I really love how this turned out. You can see it here under the sunlight and also under flashlight to see the difference and how those sparkles come to life. Let me know what you think about this look in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.